Good morning, good night. We're back. Back in action. This is what we're doing today, guys. Bit of a shed slab. It's all got the shed on top. Beautiful. Beautiful day out there. Let's see what we can get happening. Alright. We've got a bit in so far. We've got a big side over there. Roy's got a big side. We've got a bit more to go. Look at that. Alright. Now we got the shed in.
Gotta go right down as far as that.
Nice little bit. I'm just done a little bit around here. Tweaked it all in, tweaked it all in. Into here, I'm just putting a rail in. The door. Good times. Just this little bit out here. We're nearly there. Nice breeze now out here. Alright, Dave's got to do a bit of welding. First time I had to weld something while we're concreting. But hashtag nothing. Always something new. I'm just eating some beef jerky. While we're waiting. Farm sheds.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you got different things to do. Shouldn't eat with my mouth. Shouldn't talk with my mouth full. Anyway, let's see what we can get. And action-wise. Alright, it's 8 o'clock. We got the little apron in, and the railroad strip for the gate. Door. Look at all good. See a little plus. There's a little bit over there, and there's a little bit over the other side. We're gonna do as well. Alright. Alright, we got 11 o'clock. The outside bit's done. Royce did this bit. Still inside the shed. Got a little bit more to go. In there. Just got a bit of a little wet patch up there. Water's just sitting there, the rest of it's mostly done. I'm going to hit it one more time. Sorry I can't get no shots for you today, mate. Oh well. You know how she goes sometimes. So she's a pretty good job. All working out good so far. Can go home by 12 o'clock, I'll be a happy man. We've got Bobby over here. Spoke to Bobby about 10 years ago, 15 years ago. He's back in action. He's freelancer, so anyone's looking for a worker, hit me up and I'll give you his number. He's a good hand. This is one I did the other day, yesterday. Pretty good. Pretty good. Ah. Alright. This is that front bit. A little bit over there to do still, and that's it. And we're done. Boys are stripped, everything's packed up.
That cost me the most.
And Bobby here to clean it all up. Looks good. Good work, boys. Alright guys, that's my day done. Shed's over there. I'm just about to leave. I'm going to go home and I'm going to Taekwondo tonight, so I might throw a little bit of Taekwondo in here, or I might not. We'll see how long the video is. But anyway, I'll see you all maybe tomorrow. I've got a job with Lawrence and the boys, and then the next day I'm working with Simon and the boys. We're doing 2 house slabs. 1 house slab tomorrow and 1 the next day. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, and hopefully this year's going to be a big one. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
No, don't worry about doing that retaining wall job for me. I've got a mate who can do it cheaper. It's really good. He's done heaps of them. Also does NBN. He's really cheap. Gives me a good rate.
Fuck you, cunt. You can stay now. That's what you get for taking days off.
Did you ever hear about the bloke that was cleaning out his missus' drawers? Finds 3 eggs and $400 cash. Waits for her to get home from work and goes, "Hey love, I found these in your drawer. Like, do you want to explain this to me? Like, what's the 3 eggs and $400 cash for?" She goes, "Look, I think I better come clean with you because it's what I think I should do. But we've been married for 30 years and look, every time I've been unfaithful, I put an egg in the drawer." Takes a deep breath, he goes, "Fuck, well, 30 years, 3 times, that's not too bad. Like, but can you explain to me what the $400 cash is?" She goes, "Yeah, I can, but I think it'll hurt you." He goes, "Look, I'm ready for it, I can take it. What else could hurt me?" She goes, "Well, whenever I get enough, I sell them for $1 a dozen."